Ready? One, two,
Two,
three.
three.
Hi
Hi,
guys! So today I have Gunwoo here doing my makeup. I know this is kind of a recurring series on this channel. But Tiffany's gonna sit there and watch as Gunwoo does a very specific makeup look to my face today. So would you like to show what you're
go away
trying
for a
to
second.
do? Okay.
Go away for a second. So, this is the plan. You see, right? But this is also my first time doing makeup. So we'll just go with the flow. So let's start. First of all, looking at it, the face is bright, right? So that means we go from the blush brush thing, you know, the powder. So I'm gonna choose one of the brushes that looks big, so I don't have to like detail-y do everything. And then you need to look for something that's powder, right? Like around the same face, so her face shines. That's the whole point, right? You want to make her pretty. So this, if you open this up, that doesn't look like powder. So I'm gonna look for something else. This looks more right. But I'm pretty sure when girls do it, they have this like thing. Maybe it's this thing. So we'll try with this. So just take a little like so. Apply it like lotion, like oh wait. You don't want to do too much at a time because this is what it turns out like. So just, I'm gonna have to spread it out more evenly. And it's okay if a little gets on the eyelashes like last time because I'll just clear those up with like whatever I'm gonna do with the eyebrows later. For the first step, I think it's not looking too bad because it's actually blending really well with her skin. All things considered. Yeah, the good thing about this is like big, so even if you get smudges, you can just wipe them away somehow. Alright, I think that's step one. Step two, it looks like her face is like, there's like liquid on it, so maybe that's like lotion or like fine mist, like a spray. This says lotion mist, so I'm assuming this is it. Alright, close your eyes. Okay, I don't want to spray. You don't want to spray directly in her face. You know, just a little bit like this. Yeah. All right, now comes the decently hard part. The hardest part of this challenge comes at the end. But the decently hard part, we'll start with the eyebrows.
Oh, you already chose like everything you were gonna use?
No, this one just says eyebrow pencil.
Oh.
So I just chose it. Okay, I'm not sure which end. I'm pretty sure it's this end, but there doesn't seem to be liquid on it. I'm pretty sure. Okay.
I think you should read the name of it.
Brow pencil crayon. So it's a crayon, but it looks like a brush. So maybe we'll look for a different eyebrow pencil. Eyeliner. Oh no, that's not what we want. Brow, stylish shape and fill. So this one also has two sides. I don't know why all of them have two sides.
Make sure you're in the camera. Okay.
I don't know why all of them have two sides. This is quite weird. Is there a hint? Oh wow! I figured it out, guys.
You're talking to the audience. Huh?
Okay, yeah. So not this brown one. We'll go back to the black one. And then I'm just supposed to make them like thicker somehow. Draw them in. So like extend the edges. She looks more. If you draw them downward. Oh, if you draw them downward, she looks more sharp. You know? Or no, is that up? You know that one emoji where you have like triangles for your eyebrows? Let's try to do that. So like up the edges.
So
she looks sharp. Oh, this one I messed up on kind of.
You're already. Oh.
Oh, I'm popping off.
Oh.
I'm starting to see the change. I don't know if they look that much fuller. So, this side doesn't seem to do anything. Okay, I need to blend this in more so it doesn't look too unnatural. You know what I mean? You want makeup to be natural, I think. It might look a little bit weird in the process, but at the end result is what we care about, right? So step 3 is the eyeliner. The lashes. Voluminous lash paradise. Okay, this one I kind of know. It's like a brush thing. This one at least I've seen before.
Should I close or open?
Close them. And then how to make the lashes longer. Oh shoot. Just touch them? I guess, with the thing. I mean, they're getting watery, if that's what we're supposed to do. Okay, I don't think that's how you do it. But we'll do the eyeshadow, because that'll cover the lashes part. Okay, just disregard the lashes part. We'll just do the eyeshadow. Just move on to eyeshadow then. Just in case for emergencies. Obviously, you always gotta come prepared. So let's just get rid of all of that. Honestly, at this point in the video, you could delete that part just because nothing happened. And I'm erasing it all anyways. Yeah, just stick with fake eyelashes, honestly. The eyeshadow in what I want appears to be red.
Whoa.
So, I might need a hint because where is red eyeshadow? Maybe I could just... Is this lipstick? I'm guessing that's lipstick. Oh! I feel like I've seen these on this lipstick. Maybe it's this, guys. It looks like the eyelashes thing. I feel like it's more of a pigment. I think this will work. The only thing that looks red says Venetian red, so we'll just go with that one. So...
Would you like me to hold this for you?
Yeah. Thanks, perfect. So just right above the eyelashes is where you put the Venetian red. Okay, and now... Oh, wow! Not bad. So I guess this makes a huge difference. We're done with that part. Now I need to add like... I need to draw this somehow, so I need a fine brush. So the thinnest brush I can find, and I need white. Oh, I should have just used this in the beginning. Okay, so the widest one you can find. You guys see this, right? Like, that looks like drawn in with a pencil. I don't have a pencil. So if this part turns out a little differently, get yourself a pencil. Ooh.
Really?
We'll stick with that for now. And then I need more like an orange hue right above that. So, orange. Okay, we're done with that part. And it looks like, if only I can make her eyelashes somehow darker, that will complete the look, so I need to figure that out. Honestly, this is the last step. If we can get this, we got the whole theme of the makeup done. Oh, I found something. Lashes. Eyelash adhesive. That sounds like glue. Guys, should I just try to draw in the lashes as well? Nah. I need a curler. An lash curler. Ah, that's what you do. You apply liquid on it and then you curl it. Okay, open them again. And let me curl them. Oh, I'm doing the opposite way. Am I? Oh, how am I supposed to grab them? Oh, much better, much better. Okay, let me just clean it up a little, and then I think we'll be done. Okay, last up, obviously, lipstick. Let me try. Stick with the same color as the one you did around for your eyes though. When you do lipstick, I'm assuming it's the same as chapstick. So you go from the bottom, straight, top, straight. Wait, you can't laugh. You can't laugh. It makes it so much harder. Okay, it looks smudged a little because she laughed, but I'm gonna have to clean that up. Here's what it's supposed to be. And here's the finished product. Go closer, go closer.
Yeah,
they need to see the details.
I can't see my...
Pretty good, huh? Okay, obviously if you had the pencil for the white part, I can make it look more fiery. If you go too much with makeup, you look like a joker, so.
Out of what you had,
yeah,
like a 2. You didn't.
The video.
Wait, what happened to my face? Like the skin.
Huh?
You didn't do anything to my skin.
Did I? No?
Did you?
I did the powder thing.
Am I pretty?
We go for minimalism.
Well, that is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. What's your rating, babe?
I'm biased. 10 out of 10.
Oh god.
That's what we like to see.
But if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up and what should they comment down below, gonna?
Comment what improvements I can make next time, if any.
So it's part 2 next time.
And subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.